welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my lip care routine. I just came back from work and right now I'm feeling extremely dry and chapped on my lip. You can see this is how it is. Like I can literally, if I touch it, it's so chapped. I feel the top surface of my skin and nothing below. If you have chapped skin, you know what I mean. So I basically have a go-to DIY routine which I do to take care of such dry, chappy days, which involves a little bit of exfoliating, little bit of masking. So I'm going to take you along and show you what I do. So if you have a similar situation as mine, I hope it helps and maybe you can try and let me know if it works for you. So let's get on to the video. To begin with, I'm sorry if I'm a little unkempt, my hair is not done, but I just got back from work and let's be real, this is how we all look, no? So we'll just continue like this. For my first step, it's a very basic exfoliating which I do with my toothbrush. I'll show you how. So I'm in my washroom. If you've seen some of my older videos, you've probably seen this place. So anyways, I'm using this toothbrush which is mine, but I don't use it to brush my teeth anymore, so you could use that. I'm just gonna wet my lip first so it's easier to exfoliate, and I'm just gonna go with this toothbrush gently on my lip for about a minute or two. So let's go. You can see that my lips are already a bit too pink than usual, and that's because of the scrubbing and the blood circulation. So we're going to be doing the next steps now. So for the mask we need two simple ingredients. One is our very own parachute coconut oil and the next is salt. But a lot of people also use sugar in this place, but I think the granules are too big in sugar and salt has finer granules, so I prefer that over sugar. So we're just gonna mix the two in this bowl and start applying on our lips. So the mask is ready. I'm gonna start applying on my lip now. So I just washed off that oil and salt mask and I'm just going to put a little bit of ghee on my lip and leave it for about 5 minutes because it's just too stripped off of any moisture at all now, which I need to give back. Don't worry about how you look, it's going to be all over the place, but trust me, it's worth it. Five minutes. I am back and I washed off the ghee from my lip and it feels so smooth. I can't feel any flaky, chappy skin on my lip. And also feels a little fuller because of honestly all the irritation that I've put it through. And now is the time for hydration. So first I'm going to use this chapstick to act as a normal lip balm or any lip balm you can use. So I'm just gonna be putting generously. See that glow? It already gives like a clean sheen on your lip. And the final step is a lip mask, and I'm going to be using the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I have done a detailed video reviewing Laneige's lip balm and the sleeping mask. If you haven't watched the video, I'm going to link it somewhere here in the video, so go check it out. This is extremely hydrating. I'm just going to put this. Also, this feels like strawberry chewing gum, you know, like Boomer. Bachpan mein we used to just gush about it all the time. And I'm done. I feel fresh. I feel hydrated. Look at those juicy lips. You can get it too. Just follow my routine and thank me later. If you also have other DIY things that you've tried on your own, please comment them down below. You know, I'm someone who suffers with chapped lips all the time. No harm in trying new tactics, new gharelu nuskes. I'm all for it. So comment down below whatever you've tried and it's worked for you, and I'll be happy to try it out. Thank you for staying tuned. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.